For this item, you need to write the equation of the line in the form y equals mx plus b. For these item types in the Google form, do not leave extra spaces. So between like the equal sign and a number, don't leave an extra space. If needed, I will regrade this item by hand. Also, zoom in if needed to see the graph so you can see what you're trying to figure out with this graph. So we're writing the equation. It's going to be in the form y equals mx plus b. So the only thing we have to figure out is m and b. Everything in black is going to stay the same way and in the same position. So to figure out the slope of the line, you actually have to find 2 points on the line. So here is a point right here, and I'm actually going to use my red. Here's a point right here on this line, and here's a point right here on this line. Now this line has many points on it, and you may be wondering, why did I choose those 2 points? Whenever I choose a point that has a vertical line that intersects that point and a horizontal line that intersects that point. That way I can ensure that my x and y coordinates are going to be integers, okay? And then look at this point right here. There's a vertical line going through that point and a horizontal line going through that point. So those are the points I'm going to use to calculate slope. Also, keep in mind, the slope of this line is going to be negative. If a person were to walk down this line, they will be going downwards. Any line that is downhill when you're walking has a negative slope. So we should start off by saying m equals some negative number. Great. Now, to find out the value of m, all I have to do is count the units I move down and then to the right. So I'm moving down 1, 2, 3 units. So I know that my rise, which is not really a rise because I'm going down, is -3. Then I go from here 1 unit to the right. So my slope is going to be -3 over 1. It is my rise over my run. So m is equal to -3 because -3 divided by 1 is -3. Next, I have to find b. B is my y-intercept. It is where my line intersects the y-axis. Keep in mind, the y-axis is always going to be this vertical line right here, okay? And I'm trying to figure out where this line intersects the vertical y-axis. So when I do that, I can see that B is located at -12. So I can say that B equals -12, okay? Now, I'm going to keep my same format from above, y equals mx plus b, and just substitute in -3 for m right there. Substitute in -12 for b right here. So I can write y equals -3 x plus -12. And that is the solution.